keep smiling, the joys of spring. I hear her on the scene and things again.